Hey, what's up? Welcome back again to another video, and this video is all about the activation of the Windows 10 Pro version. There's a different version of the Windows, or what we call the operating system, that we can activate on upon installing the Windows to your computer or your desktop. So here, this video is special shout out for my friend, the Comeback King, January Obunin, the origin of COVID-19. Then Remo J. Dewey, the new breed, the new man, and or what we call the reborn, January Obunin. Remo J. Dewey, the reborn. Then Jobit Mine, the king. So and Marty Obello, the Welobo, the Ryzen 7 fake news. Alright, and like that. So yeah, now this video is for this Combat King. So if you see this video, click on like button and subscribe, and you can share. So yeah, so this video is all about the activation of Windows 10. I will not going to give the exact information how, but I'm going to give you the way on do step by step. So first you click on the Windows tab, click on this PC, then right click, then go on properties. And then you'll be routed to your Windows tab. I'm not going to show it because I have my product key there. So if you use this product key, my Windows OS will be expired as well here. So just is for security purposes. But just post a video, make it, get the code. So that being said, I'm gonna give you the code now. So this is the code. This is for the Windows 10 Pro version. This is a special videos created to January Obunin. So yeah, all you have to do, go there and to the this PC, right click, click on properties, then change product key if or activate Windows, then put this product keys. Then click on activate. Just turn reset the phone or reset the PC, turn it back on, and everything will be fine. Then yeah. So if you're new to this video, click on subscribe and don't forget to click the like button and the bell icon for you to be notified. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.